Everyone, welcome to the video, and today we are going to show you some of the crafty things. First we are going to make this DIY watch. For this you just have to cut down a disposable glass as shown in the steps. Next we are going to create this scrap. For this we need some of the clay, some colored sheets, some sketch pens and glue so that we can stick these scraps as shown here. This one is so easy. Next we are going to create some beautiful flowers using the old egg trays. For these you have to cut down the egg trays as shown in the steps, and after that you have to paste them using the glue gun on circular shaped cardboard, and then we have to place this cardboard over the egg tray. Let's try to draw this girl. For this we are using the sketch pen. After that we have to paste the hair, and for pasting the hair we are using the jute thread and pasting it as one above the another shown here and then decorating it. Next we are going to create some beautiful flowers. For this we need the fiber that's actually on some fruits, and after that we are pasting the yellow sheet in the circular form, then drawing the leaves that's apparent on your screen. For this one we need some of the ice cream sticks, and then we are pasting it one above the other using the glue gun. After that we are tying the thread, then using some colorful sheet we are cutting down in the shape of the twist, then we are rolling it. As you can see, this will depict some of the roses. After that we are pasting them using the glue gun one above the other. We are creating these flowers out of the different shapes. See how beautiful this wall hanging looks. Let's try to create another wreath. For this we are using some of the colorful sheets, then we are stapling them as the steps shown here. After that we are using a toothpick for giving the shape to the petals, then we are pasting the beads at the center. After that we are pasting the leaves on the circular shaped cardboard and then placing the flowers. See how beautiful it looks. You can use a rope or the ribbon for hanging it. This is a simple painting. For this we are using the white sheet of paper. After that we are placing some of the beads using the glue. We are pasting it, and after that we are creating these two swimmers that are swimming in the pool, and then we are drawing the other detail. This one is very simple. For this you need to trace down your hand as shown, and after that you have to draw the castle features as it's apparent, like the windows and the gate. For this we are using the sketch pen. You can use the marker. After that we are filling it with different colors. We are using the stencil scale for drawing the clouds and the sun, then fill the detail. For this rainy season, let's create some umbrellas. For this you have to make the cuttings from the different colorful sheets in the shape of the umbrella heads. After that make the other things using the sketch pen. Let's draw some of the carrots on the circular white sheet of the paper as it's shown on the screen. You can pause the video so that you can follow the steps to draw this down. After that you have to fill it with some of the beautiful and the bright colors. First you need to stick the washi tape at the four corners of this page, and after that we are using and filling it with some of the colors that is apparent on your screen, and we are using the crayons. You can use the same, then draw these trees. Pull down the rest of the washi tape from the four corners and see how beautiful it looks. Draw the different shapes on the colored sheet of paper, like we are drawing here the sun, clouds and the cars. After that you have to just paste them using the glue on the black sheet of paper. Thank you.